Such a fun day out on the catamaran, good vibes from the crew, snorkeling was stunning, the island stop at Ile aux Cerfs was beautiful, and the barbecue plus waterfall stop made it complete. Would 100% do it again. Superb experience. The staff on board were incredibly kind, the food, the service, the music. Everything was perfect. The visits to the waterfall and the island were magical. We recommend you 100%. Thank you again. Great crew, great food, and plenty of drinks. A perfect day with a fantastic atmosphere despite the downpour on Ile aux Cerfs. Very nice day, lovely crew. We enjoyed it very much. The barbecue was excellent. It was superb, the employees were impeccable, they ensured the atmosphere was perfect, I recommend it. The staff was extremely polite and helpful. Julian was just a great entertainer, playing the guitar and performing different songs for us. Really nice experience. Crew were friendly. Food was good. Boat was way overcrowded. Over 30+ passengers. Won't be recommending to anyone.